Hello everyone, and welcome to Neil on Azure. Today we had a very special blog post by the one and only Sendmarsh, and I got so excited about it that I needed to make a video about it. So today we're going to be doing the video version of Sendmarsh's Introduction to Cosmos DB using pymongo. You can find the blog post here, and you can find Sendmarsh's blog here. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a resource group to hold our Cosmos DB. In this case, we'll just create it in WestUS and call it Neil Resource Group or Neil RG. Great. Now once that's done, we can start to create our Cosmos DB. So for that, the command is az-cosmos-db create. We are going to tell it to use the resource group we just created and then tell it to call it NeilDB and say it is of kind MongoDB. Now, once that completes, you should get an output that looks like this. And once you do, we're ready to move on to the next step. So now we're going to install the pymongo client, specifically for Python 3, which is where we're using pip3. Once that completes, we can jump into the Python 3 REPL. Now once we're here, we're going to import the Mongo client we just installed. We're going to copy from the Azure portal the connection string, the URI. We're going to instantiate a Mongo client from this URI. And then we are going to create this test database using this client. Next, we're going to insert a record into that client, just a simple record that has key test and value. We are then going to do a find to get all of the records in test. We're going to index into it with 0 to get the first record, which is the only record in this case. And then in this case, we're going to have to index into it with the string text, not with dot text, as I made that typo. And there we go, we got back value. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave some comments down below. This is Neil on Azure, signing out.